Hello guys. Welcome to our another video on SAP Basics Explained series. In our last video we had discussed about various modules and sub-modules in SAP and how they are integrated to produce the end result. Today we would discuss the controlling module in SAP. Well, FICO term is the combination of two different module: financial accounting, which is FI, and controlling, which is co-module. Financial accounting is primarily focused on external financial reporting to stakeholders such as investors, regulators and tax authorities. It tracks financial transactions related to the company's assets, liabilities, revenue and expenses, and generates financial statements such as balance sheet, income statement and cash flow statement. On the other hand, controlling module is focused on internal reporting to management for decision-making purposes. It tracks costs and revenues associated with the company's operations and provides information for managing costs and improving profitability. Controlling module is used for planning, controlling and monitoring internal operations. The controlling module is important because it helps organizations manage their financial resources effectively by tracking expenses and identifying cost-saving opportunities. It also provides features for budgeting and forecasting, which help organizations plan their financial activities and make informed decisions about resource allocation. It is an essential tool for financial management and decision-making. It helps businesses reduce costs, improve performance, and stay on top of their finances. The controlling module performs its function with the help of controlling objects. Controlling object refers to something that we want to track or control costs for. It could be a specific department, a product line, a customer, or even a short-term project. Controlling objects help us to monitor the costs that are incurred in each of these areas so that we can make informed decisions about how to manage and allocate resources. Some examples of controlling objects in the controlling module of SAP are cost center, profit center, internal orders, etc. Let us understand the concept of each of the controlling object with the help of an example. Let's say there's a company that provides IT services to other businesses. The company has three departments, which are sales department, development department, and support department. Cost elements represent specific types of costs incurred by an organization. For example, salaries, rent, utilities, travel expenses, etc. would all be recorded using specific cost elements in the SAP. In short, the cost element deals with the nature of the cost. A cost center is a unit within an organization that incurs costs. In this example, the sales, development, and support departments would be considered separate cost centers. The costs associated with each cost center would be tracked using specific cost elements in the SAP system. For example, the rent and utility costs associated with the sales department would be tracked using specific cost elements in the SAP system. So, cost center deals with the object that incurs the cost. A profit center is a unit within an organization that generates profits. In our example, the sales department would be considered a profit center as it generates revenue by selling IT services to other businesses. Therefore, profit center deals with the object that generates the profit. An internal order, IO, is used to track the costs associated with a specific project or activity within an organization. For example, if the development department is working on a new software project, an internal order could be created to track the costs associated with the project, such as salaries, software licenses, and equipment costs. So, internal order deals with the specific project. Let's summarize what we learned today. Cost elements are used to represent specific types of costs incurred by an organization. Cost centers are used to track costs associated with different departments or units within an organization. Profit centers are used to track the profitability of different departments or units within an organization. Internal orders are used to track costs associated with specific projects or activities. And this is how controlling module helps an organization keep track of its expenses and revenues. Stay tuned to know about WBS networks and their settlement.